आज हम बात करेंगे कि जब हम बच्चे को अर्ली इंटरवेंशन के समय में स्पेशल एजुकेटर के पास ले जाते हैं तो वो इमिटेशन स्किल्स से क्यों शुरू करते हैं. सो इमिटेशन स्किल्स आर अ फंडामेंटल skill that is used in learning concepts later, and आप और हम जो भी सीखते हैं अपने एनवायरनमेंट से वो इमिटेशन से ही होता है. वो although we might not consciously think about it, right? So वो हम sometimes for our children needs to be taught as an activity on a like a tabletop activity. And imitation can take many forms. It can be a gross motor activity, it can be a fine motor activity, it can be vocal imitation also, imitation in drawing and writing, scribbling, right? So fine motor example is very simple. Whatever you want to teach and you want the child to do it exactly, you basically sit opposite the child and you have the exact same thing that you have in your hand, the child would also have in his hand. So if you say, if you want to put a spoon into a glass, the child will also have the same spoon and the same glass, and you would just give the instruction, do this, and the child, you model it for the child and the child copies you, right? So this is a basic like a fine motor imitation. A gross motor imitation activity can be something like you touch a body part and the child looks at you and touches, mirrors that. So if you say do this, the child does that. Or if you say do this, you don't have to say touch your head because the child might not know that this part of the body is called the head. Or you don't say touch your nose because he might not know that this is called the nose. But you just say do this and the child would follow your lead. There is also you can also do in simple, if the child can hold say a thick crayon, you can maybe just scribble and the child can also scribble along with you, right? So these are just different ways जिससे आप इमिटेशन स्किल सिखा सकते हो बच्चे को. और वोकल इमिटेशन भी कर सकते हो. आप एक साउंड मुंह से बना सकते हो और बच्चे को बोल सकते हो दैट कैन यू से इट, कैन यू से का, or can you say ma, or whatever, like if you feel you need to work on vocal imitation as well. So imitation as a skill is usually worked on by special educators because it is अगर आप पूछो कि क्यों चाहिए, why do we need imitation skills, जब हम बच्चा स्कूल जाता है या टीचर बोर्ड में कुछ लिखते हैं, even copying from the board is an imitation skill, right? So how is a child learning to do that? It is through imitation, and that is why जब हम कुछ सिखाते हैं as a tabletop activity, as like a game, maybe the child will find interest in it and will pick up the skill of imitation.